Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Your friend GM is here to share something more about English literatures. Today I have chosen a topic for my video, the age of Elizabeth, the flowering of the Renaissance. Very important period in the English literature from classical point of views. The age comprises 1558 to 1603. Let's start our video without any delay. The Elizabethan age, the age of Elizabeth, 1558 to 1603. Queen Elizabeth, 1558 to 1603, was the Queen of England. History of the era: the 1558, Queen Elizabeth ascends the thrones. 1571, rise of English Puritans. 1577 to 1587, no particular event. 1588, defeat of Spanish Armada. The age of Elizabeth, 1558 to 1603, literature of the era. 1564, birth of Shakespeare, the Lord of Literature. 1576, first theatre. 1578 to 1587, Holinshed Chronicles. 1579, Spencer Shepherd calendars, Lally Hufes and North Plutarch. 1582 to 1600, Hercules Voyage. 1587, Shakespeare in London. The age of Elizabeth, 1558 to 1603. 1587, Marlowe's Tamburlaine. 1590, Sydney Arcadia and Spencer Fairy Queens. 1597 to 1625, Bacon's Essay. 1508 to 1613, Champion's Homer. 1598, Ben Jonson, Every Man in His Humour. 1600 to 1607, Shakespeare's Tragedies. Thanks to watch the videos. Stay connected to get more videos on English literature by subscribing my channel. This period, the age of Elizabeth, is very important in English literatures, especially from a classical point of views. It is also called the flowering of Renaissance. Renaissance, a period where everything flowers. Thank you so much to listen this video. Please subscribe my channel to stay connected with me.